Guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10-hole chicken layer box. This one here is for your chicken coop. Alright, so right here we have our layer box. This one here has 10 different holes. Here is the specs of it. This one's offered in 2 different colors. You have green and red. So I did get the green one. They also have it in different holes. You got 6 holes with the legs, 8 holes with the legs, 10 holes, and 10 holes with the legs, just like this one right here. So here's the bottom part, the side parts, and then you got this little basket thing right here that the eggs just roll down there, so it makes it easier to pick them up and grab them out so they won't get super dirty. So all the tools and everything is already included in the box. So this is the top part. That'll be the last thing that we put together. So these little sides that make up the boxes will go right here. They line up just like this in the holes. So if you follow the instructions correctly, this is super easy to put together. So the size of this is 57.9 inches long by 17.72 wide by 7.09 inches high. This is allied steel. This is used for outside. So this is an effortless egg safety. The chicken layer box features an innovative design which is gentle title that allows your eggs to roll into a secure collection area, which basically is in the front. So I actually did put some nesting pads in there. So now that you can see that these are all up, and then we're going to put the top on and the back side, and then we'll connect the legs together. I like this one. I do have another one that is mountable, but this one here is my favorite only because of the legs, so I don't have to mount this onto my chicken coop. So now we got the top and the bottom and the sides already put together. This is meticulously crafted for a heavy-duty galvanized steel, which is without stands, any rigors or outdoor conditions, unlike flimsy plastic, which like the other one that I have. It's really nice. I like the fact that the eggs go in and they roll down here, and then you can collect your eggs here, making your eggs a lot cleaner, so you don't have to worry about them dirty, nasty eggs. So I already have it installed into my chicken coop. As you can see, it looks super nice. I like the fact that it does have legs, so I don't have to mount it on the wall, and it's a little bit higher, so my chicks can actually lay in the little boxes as well as under it, where my ducks actually lay on the bottom of it. I do have some straw padding that goes in here, but I actually removed the padding and I just replaced it with the grass padding, because this one right here, even though it's really nice, my hens like to scratch it, so it ends up all on the ground versus the grass one. So if you're looking for a nice nesting box that offers a lot of little slots for all your hens, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's super nice and you don't have to mount it. It just goes on the legs and it's very sturdy. I would definitely say if you're looking for a nesting box, this one here is definitely my favorite.